now the first few verses have become very, very easy for you. All of you are doing at least the first 5 verses, 6 verses very nicely. Only the latest one, you need some practice. So let's keep doing it. Okay, Vibha, go ahead. Go ahead.
Pranamya Shirasadhivam Gauri Puttaminayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayuv Karmata Siddhaye Patamam Vakraturnam Cha Ekadandam Dvitiyakam Titiyam Krishna Pingaksham Gajavaktam Chaturthakam Lambodharam Pancha Pancha Sustam Vikatamevacha Saptamam Vignirajenja Numravarnam Dhritastamam Navamam Balachandram Cha Dashramam Tu Vinekam Ekadashtam Ganapatim Dvadashadu Gajananam
Dvadasham tu. Okay, Dvadasham tu. I didn't hear it well. That's why. So tell.
Dvadashitani Namani Tisanyam Yafati Namaha Najavignam Bhayam Tasya Sarvasiddhikaram Param Vidyarthi Labhati Vidyan Dhanarthi Labhati Dhanam Puttarthi Labhati Puttan Moksharthi Labhati Gitim Japit Ganapatim Stotam Sharbhit Masai
Phalam labhet.
Param Labhet
Samvatsarena.
Samvatsarenyam
Siddhim cha.
Siddhim cha labhate
Natra sanchaya.
Nata sanchaya.
Yes. Please, in this 3 weeks, practice this and then make 1 to verse 7 perfect. Very good.